Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer footage to external drives with Windows Backup step by step clearly. Begin by connecting your external drive to your computer. Ensure your external drive is recognized by Windows. Click on the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search box. Select Control Panel from the search results. In the Control Panel, click on System and Security. Next, find and click on Backup and Restore, Windows 7. On the left side of the window, click on Set up Backup. Select your external drive from the list that appears. Click Next to proceed. Now, choose whether you want Windows to choose what to backup, or you can select specific folders yourself. If you opt for the custom option, click on Let me choose. Select the folders and files you want to transfer to your external drive. Once you have made your selections, click Next. Review your backup settings. Click on Change Schedule if you wish to set up regular backups. Choose the frequency and time for the backups. Click OK to confirm the schedule. When you are ready, click Save Settings and Run Backup. Windows will now begin the transfer process. Wait for the process to complete. You will receive a notification once the backup is successful. After the backup is finished, safely eject your external drive. Your footage is now safely stored on the external drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.